Deputy Ambassador, European Union, Director, SPC, staffs of the SPC, representatives from Fiji High Commission, my ministry staffs, our media partners, Bula Binaka, and a very good morning to you all. Just for the information of the Deputy Ambassador of EU, we had to cancel this program twice. And maybe the partners were waiting for your arrival to make the first speech. I'm pleased to be here on behalf of the ministry to receive this generous donation. Firstly, I would like to thank the European Union and the SPC in supporting my ministry and ensuring that this Certificate 1 in Resilience program is implemented and fully realized. I would also like to thank the Fiji Higher Education Commission for the technical assistance provided through advice and training. I've been told, as mentioned earlier on by Director, that this project started way back in 2018 under the EU PAC-TVET program, and I'm so grateful to all of you, and in particular our stakeholders, that for their contribution to this great achievement to develop our youths. Your assistance today will ensure our youths are trained and empowered to tackle climate change issues and impacts. My ministry intends to pilot this 10 months program at our youth training center based in Nasinu and Nalemba in Lambasa. I'm also thankful that the assistance rendered also covers the capacity building of 2 of the ministry staff who are now ready to take on this job. As we all are aware, climate change is real, and it is a great challenge facing humanity. Beyond direct environmental impacts, climate change has serious development, economic, and humanitarian implications. And as a government, we give priority on our development agenda. This is another pandemic, and if we are ill-prepared through training, education, and awareness, we will be the most vulnerable